Hello friends, good morning, happy Valentines. Did you make a happy Valentine's plant already to your special someone? If you didn't, you should. I'm making one every Valentine's Day, once a year. Let me show you some. This one is from Ficus retusa. This one is from Ficus religiosa. You see, very different leaf. Ficus religiosa is a ficus under which Buddha got enlightened. He sat meditating in a bamboo forest, but under Ficus religiosa. So I made one big Valentine plant from it, but it's kind of overturning in the wind, so I tie it to a different plant. Let me see, where is another one? Here is one I'm just starting. Maybe next year it'll be a ready Valentine plant. It's from American frankincense. I made a video about that one already. Here is another starter. Here is another starter. It takes sometimes years till it matures and gets really, well, that's how it is with love. It improves with age. Here is one, another one from Ficus religiosa, several years old. Here is one I'm just starting, from Ficus diversifolia. I used to think that this one is a Ficus triangularis because it has triangle shaped leaves, but then I found out it looks like it's a Ficus diversifolia. Let me see. Here is another Ficus retusa, Valentine. Here is another full of berries, Ficus diversifolia. Unfortunately, we don't have that microscopic wasp that pollinates it, so seeds from this won't sprout. It's not self-pollinatable, and we don't have here the proper wasp. We do have a wasp for Ficus retusa, so from that seeds do sprout. And here I have another Valentine from some years back, and here another one, Ficus retusa. This one is Ficus benjamina, a small leaf cultivar. And here is a small leaf cultivar of Ficus retusa. It has two hearts, one on top of another. And here is another full-hearted Ficus retusa Valentine. And here is another. Here is my half-hearted attempt. The other half didn't make it. I have to redo. I have to regrow here another half of the heart. And here is a Ficus nerifolia. It's called nerifolia because it has narrow leaves. And it has two hearts. Here is one heart and here is another. Kind of hard to see. Or maybe from the other side you'll see it better. Okay, here is one heart and here is another. Okay, and here is another Valentine. Should I show you more? And here is the same one from the other side. I'm sure I have many more because I'm very old, and so my very old love got many Valentines from her very old love. Okay, here is another one. And here is another one. So many Valentines. So many Valentines. One got even published in a book. Let me show you the book. The book has a title, Arborsculpture, Solution for a Small Planet. Arborsculpture, arbo means trees, and sculpture means sculpture. It's a way to make sculptures out of trees. On the cover you see a bridge made out of trees. Well, anyway, in this book you'll find one of my hearts, one of my Valentine bonsais. This one again is made of Ficus retusa. I recommend you the book. It shows you how to grow chairs, tree houses, houses, different things. Ornaments. Here is a living chair. But first thing first, because here is another chair. But first thing first, as we all know, all we need is love. 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 Love is all we need. So, happy Valentine's, friends.